How to recover deleted contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. You can view all your contacts over here. Go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the contact you want to delete. Tap on the contact to open and view the contact details. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Contact. Tap on Delete Contact again to confirm. Now, go back and open up the Safari application. Go to iCloud.com. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the app's icon. Go to Data Recovery. On this page, scroll down and tap on Restore Contacts. You can restore your contacts from an earlier version from here. Then, tap on Restore beside the contact you want to recover. Tap on Restore again to confirm. You have now successfully restored this contact. Tap on OK. Following these steps, you can easily recover deleted contacts on iPhone.